Hi, it's Roy Cleeves from Keller Williams Golden Triangle Realty, and I'm just here with the October results. October 2013. We had sold 479 homes this month compared to 501 the previous year, same month. That's down 4.4%, yet for the year we're still up 3.2% for total sales. The average is 44 days on the market, and 1 out of 6 homes is selling. So the prices, that's another important aspect, they're still up. Detached is up 3.6%, semis went up a whopping 9.2%, freehold townhouses 7.3%, and condos, the least, at 0.07%. For this and many more stats, feel free to come to my website, www.callcleeves.com, or call us anytime directly on my cell phone, 519-841-0559. That's 519-841-0559.